If you're looking to combine file uploads, payments, and routing in one form, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple way to do that, saving you time and effort while streamlining your processes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set it all up quickly, and I'll share a way for you to follow along with a free trial of the software we'll be using. Stick around for that exclusive offer. Let's get started. First, you need to choose the right software for the job. There are plenty of tools out there that claim to handle this combination, but they often complicate the process. After testing several options, we've found a solution that works seamlessly and offers all the features we need. The software we'll be using in this tutorial combines file uploads, payment processing, and routing with ease. Now, let's break it down. First, you'll want to set up the file upload field. This is important if you need customers to submit documents, images, or any kind of file. The software we'll be using allows you to add a file upload option directly into the form, and it's simple to configure. Just drag the file upload field into your form, then customize it to specify the file types and size limits. Next, let's add the payment processing. You'll find it just as easy to integrate a payment system. Our software supports several payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and more. You can add a payment field to your form in seconds, and the software automatically connects to the payment processor you've chosen. Set up pricing and ensure it matches the services or products your form is offering. Once that's done, the last step is routing. Routing is all about directing the form submissions to the right place. Depending on the data users provide, you might need different teams or individuals to receive the form. With this software, you can easily set up conditional logic to determine how form submissions are routed. For example, if someone uploads a file in a certain category, it can trigger an email to the appropriate team member. This ensures the right people get the right information without any confusion. The key to making this work smoothly is using the conditional logic correctly. You'll be able to define clear rules for which payment amounts trigger certain file requirements and what routing actions occur based on each selection in the form. This can help reduce mistakes and improve your workflow. To recap, in this tutorial, we've combined file uploads, payments, and routing in one form by using this software. We first set up the file upload field, integrated the payment processor, and added conditional routing. It's a simple process, and once you set it up, it works automatically for you. Before I wrap up, don't forget about that exclusive free trial in the description. If you want to follow along, it's the perfect way to get started with the software for free. The key takeaway from this video is that combining file uploads, payments, and routing in one form doesn't have to be difficult. With the right software, it can be done quickly and efficiently. Set up your form, customize the fields, and let the software take care of the rest. And remember, if you're ready to get started, check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's a limited time offer just for my viewers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.